Hello everyone, I'm Engineer Gladys Gracie Stauro and I'm your instructor for the subject Basic Electrical Engineering for AS6. That is for the second year automotive students and Engineering Utilities 1 AS3 subject for Civil Tech second year students. So, isa ra mo og time sa ko every uh, TTH 2:30 to 5. That is 2.5 hour. Okay, so this is hitting two birds in one stone. So, sa isa ka schedule, duha mo nga section. So, gi-merge mo because Civil Tech has only 4 students. Plus, for the automotive, I think there are 29 enrolled students. So, welcome to your subject. Actually, the exit of the subject is electrical installation and maintenance in C2. So I will be talking about electrical installation and maintenance in C2 because ang sulod sa anyuhang subject is all about electrical installation and maintenance in C2. That's why natay shop. So, gi-require mo nga magkuha og certificate in practicing COVID-19 preventive measures in the workplace and certificate in performing solid waste management in the workplace. So before you can do your demonstration and workshops, before mo makaano sa shop, so you are required to get that certificates. It is found in etesa.gov.ph. Okay. Course description. Okay, this is from the training regulation of the electrical installation and maintenance in C2. For the course description, this course is designed to equip individuals with operational skills in electrical installation and maintenance in C Level 2. So for EIM, for EIM in C, there are Level 2, Level 3, and Level 4. Particularly in installing and maintaining electrical wiring, lighting, and related equipment or systems in residential houses or buildings where the voltage does not exceed 600 volts. Okay, so based on the description, makita na to ang limiting factor or ang limit nga cover ng electrical installation and maintenance NC level 2. So it is in the installing and maintaining. So you can install and you can maintain electrical wiring, lighting, and related equipment or systems. In what kind of structure? So it is said here, residential houses or buildings. Where? So any residential houses or buildings where the voltage does not exceed 600 volts. So ang limit niya is 600 volts. Beyond that, so it is not covered with the training in the electrical installation and maintenance NC level 2. Okay. There are basic competencies, common competencies, and core competencies in the electrical installation and maintenance NC level 2. But you are recognized prior learners with the basic competencies since you are a diploma students in the school. So you'll proceed to the common competencies. For the common competencies, it is a total of 24 hours. Okay, so mao ni ang mga common competencies: use hand tools, perform mensuration and calculation, prepare and interpret technical drawing, apply quality standards, terminate and connect electrical wiring and electronic circuits. Okay, so what is the definition of use hand tools? So this unit covers the knowledge, skills, and attitudes. So tulo na siya. Basta mga, tas the training gani, na ay tulong nga, dapat ma-learn ninyo. So tulo ka aspect, knowledge, skills, and then attitude. On the safe use, handling, and maintenance of tools. So, sa kani nga unit of competency, you should gain the knowledge, skills, and attitudes sa, sakto nga paggamit sa mga hand tools. And then, sakto and safe, no, proper and safe, and then, and maintaining the tools. Next is perform mensuration and calculation. Okay, this unit covers the knowledge, skills, and attitudes and values needed to identify, care, handle, and use measuring instruments. Okay, so you will be taught to identify, care, and handle and use measuring instruments. So there are different kinds of measuring instruments, and it will be you will be taught in this unit of competency. Prepare and interpret technical drawing. This unit covers the knowledge, skills, and attitudes and values needed to prepare or interpret diagrams, engineering abbreviation, and drawings, symbols, and then dimensions. Okay, so from the title of the unit itself, prepare. So you should learn how to prepare. Even mga gagmay lang nga mga diagram for electrical installation. And then, you should learn how to interpret diagrams, engineering abbreviation only in electrical. So, wala labot tong mga sa mechanical or sa civil. Only focus with the electrical abbreviation and drawings. And then, electrical symbols. And you will be taught also to read dimensions. Next, apply quality standards. This unit covers the knowledge, skills, and attitudes and values needed to apply quality standards in the workplace. Okay, what are those quality standards? Muna ang sulod sa unit apply quality standards. The unit also includes the application of relevant safety procedures and regulations, organization procedures, and customer requirements. Terminate and connect electrical wiring and electronic circuits. Okay, when you say terminate, so you needed to terminate and connect. Saan pag cut sa connection, saan pag-connect sa mga electrical wires, and then apil na ang electronic circuits because there will be a part of electronic circuits because na ay fire alarm. There will be an installation of a fire alarm system and a surveillance kit or CCTV surveillance kit. Mao nang na ay electronic circuits nga apil ani nga unit of competency. And then there is also core competencies, which is a total of 154 hours. Tulo lang sila: perform roughing in activities, wiring, and cabling works for single-phase distribution, power, lighting, and auxiliary system. So, when you say perform roughing in, tuluan mo how to identify, how to prepare the things needed for the activities, wiring, and cabling works para sa single-phase distribution, power, lighting, and auxiliary systems. So that's what roughing in means. So i-prepare matuluan ka how to prepare things unsay gamit sa mga mga equipments, unsay gamit sa kanang switches, outlets. So, para asa na siya. Unsay mong kinahanglan i-andamon para mag-wiring ka, para sa mga activities, wiring and cabling works. Okay, so muna siya ang first unit of competency sa core. And then, install electrical protective devices for distribution, power, lighting, auxiliary, lighting protection, and grounding system. So in this unit of competency, you will be taught how to install electrical protective devices. And then, third, for competency, install wiring devices of floor and wall-mounted outlets, lighting fixtures or switches, and auxiliary outlets. So that is the core competencies. Okay, so in the perform roughing in activities, wiring and cabling works for single-phase distribution, power, lighting, auxiliary systems. So this is the definition. This unit covers the knowledge, skills, and attitude in installing electrical, metallic, and non-metallic conduit, wireways and cable clamp, auxiliary terminal cabinet, and distribution frame panel board or safety switch, and used in roughing in based on the required performance standards. This unit also covers the outcomes required in preparing for cable pulling and installation, performing wiring and cabling layout, and notifying the completion of work for single-phase distribution, power, lighting, and auxiliary systems. And this second core competency, this unit covers the knowledge, skills, and attitude in planning and preparing work, installing electrical protective devices, lighting fixture, an auxiliary outlet, and notifying completion of work for distribution, power, lighting, auxiliary, lighting protection, and grounding systems. So it will be all about installation of the protective devices. Install wiring devices of floor and wall mounted outlets, lighting fixtures or switches, and auxiliary outlets. So this unit covers the knowledge, skills, and attitudes on selecting and installing wiring devices, installing lighting fixtures or switches, and notifying completion of work for floor and wall mounted outlets and auxiliary outlets. So they will be part of notifying completion of work. So that is a part of a job that when you finish a job or a task, you should notify your supervisor so that mabala niya nga nung man sa trabaho. So part na siya sa training, notifying completion of work. Okay, when you finish this training and you become competent in the assessment, a person who has achieved this qualification is competent to be building wiring electrician, residential commercial wiring electrician, and or maintenance electrician. Okay, so that would be all about electrical installation and maintenance in C2 or your subject, Basic Electrical Engineering and Engineering Utilities 1.